The Great Gatsby, Chapter 2, Pop Quiz. Where does Myrtle live? In a nearby mansion? With her parents? Or above a garage? What image is on the billboard immediately at the start of the chapter? Coney Island? A broken heart? Or eyes with big glasses? What does Myrtle insist on buying for their apartment? A dog, a tea set, or a chest of drawers? Who are the neighbors that Myrtle invites to the party? The Salvatoris, the Fitzgeralds, or the McKees? How does Myrtle's sister know Gatsby? She went to a party at his house? She met him in college? Or she's his distant cousin? What does Nick call the area where Wilson lives? Hell's Kitchen, the ghetto, or the Valley of Ashes? What is the name of the eye doctor on the billboard? Dr. David Davidson, Dr. T.J. Eckelberg, or Dr. Ira Firestein? Where is Tom and Myrtle's apartment? Long Island, Manhattan, or Queens? What is Chester McKee's occupation? He's a photographer, he's an engraver, or he's an eye doctor? What does Tom do to Myrtle at the party? He breaks her nose, he proposes to her, or he breaks up with her? How does Tom know Wilson? They were friends in college? Tom is selling Wilson his car? Or they used to play polo together? According to the man on the street, what kind of dog does Myrtle buy? A poodle, an Afghan hound, or an Airedale? Catherine repeats a rumor that Gatsby is related to which world leader? Benito Mussolini, Kaiser Wilhelm, or Warren G. Harding? According to Catherine, why is Tom still married to Daisy? Because he owes her money? Because she's Catholic and doesn't believe in divorce? Or because he doesn't want to lose his social standing? What word does Myrtle repeat to anger Tom? Daisy, Daisy, Daisy! Coward, coward, coward! Or Wilson, Wilson, Wilson! How many did you get right? Check your grade.